Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the next lesson in the Su-25T Cadet Series. This time we're going to take a look at how we start, stop, rearm, refuel and repair our aircraft. The buttons you're going to need is electric power switch and engine start and engine stop. If you want to, you can have a separate button for engine left start, engine left stop, engine right start and engine right stop. It's up to you. I just have one button to start both engines, so it doesn't matter in Flaming Cliff whether or not you start both engines at the same time. And you're going to need the communications menu. I'm on a Danish keyboard and I've noticed that the key bindings differs from keyboard language to keyboard language. So I cannot tell you which exact key it is. I can just tell you which action in the menu it is. And to get bit of what is called a bit of silence, we're also going to need canopy open close, and I have that on the close our panel. Electrical power on.
707 в воздухе.
It is very important that you do not turn on your engines before your HSI is done centering. If you do that, you'll most likely have a massive deviation and trouble navigating to your steer points. So do not turn on your engines before the HSI is done calibrating. Next is the correct way is ATC, the airport you're at.
250 запуск.
250. Запуск разрешаю. Ветер у земли 225. Скорость 4 метра в секунду.
And now we can actually turn on our engines, but we're going to wait and we're going to take a look at rearm and refuel. They are under the menu at ground crew, rearm and refuel. Here you can right click, pick all the weapons you want, and you can adjust your fuel load, gun ammo, chaff and flares, and the standard layouts and your patterns, your livery, and also your number. Here you can see your total weight. Avoid going over your total weight because that will just require you to have a much longer runway run. So if you have a setup that you really like and you know you're going to use a lot, just click the save and you can save that layout. So now we know how to rearm and refuel. Next is going to look at repairs. If you have any damage at all, you can pick ground crew and request repair. Just note that rearming and repair requires your engines to be off and the output from it should be below 5%. But let's say now that we have rearmed, repair and rearmed, refueled, and we want to start up. Then we just press start up buttons and we'll see that both engines are starting up at the same time.
Airborne.
And now the engines has
4-6 airborne.
turned on and is at idle. Now we can throttle up and move. So that is how to rearm, refuel and repair your aircraft. To turn it off, to shut the engines down, make sure that the throttle is all the way back and press the engine stop buttons. And see that the engine is turning off. And that is actually that. There's not much to it because it is just a Fleming Cliff module. Those modules are very easy to start up and shut down again. So, thank you.